Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Refurb Wednesdays. My name's Nic Clark from Jenic Property, and today we are getting an update of a 3-bed HMO that we're finishing off converting now. We're about a week away from completion. We've already booked the furniture to get installed. Flooring's going down next Thursday, which is great. As you can see, we are starting to do the feature walls and obviously the second coat of paint as well. And then we've got second fix electrics. That is getting booked in, coming in and finishing on Monday, which is great. So at the moment, I'm in one of the bedrooms. We've got the en-suites, they're fully installed now. We've just got the shower screens to put up in here, and then obviously it's second fix electrics and just all the stuff like silicone, etc., which we're leading to the finish point now, which is great. So on our second fix plumbing at the moment, we're probably about 2 days away from that being finished, which is great. But we're about a week in total till we get the keys, and then we can obviously get the furniture installed and hand it over. This property is fully let as well, which is great. So our client is really happy with that. He's an existing client. This is his third property with us in the space of 2 years, which is great. So he's grown his portfolio and he's obviously in the process of buying another 2 with us. That'll be his 4th and 5th property as well. So let's jump upstairs and have a look at the other 2 bedrooms, so we can have a look, see progress on that, and also the ensuite. We've got a bit better light so you can actually see that. Okay, so we're in bedroom number 2. This is the bedroom at the rear of the property. It's got its own ensuite where the original bathroom was. So in here, again, pretty much very similar. Second fix electrics is going to get done in the next couple of days. And then also we've got flooring to go in here, and we've got the finish in the paint. So the paint will be finished by Monday. We've got the painters in over the weekend. So that will be done by next week, which is great. But let's have a look at the actual ensuite in here. So we've got, just a reminder for you guys, if you haven't actually watched this before, behind here is the actual ensuite for the other room in the front, which will go there in a second. But let's take a look in the actual ensuite, what's been done there so far. Okay, so we're in the ensuite at the moment. So we've switched, as you'll notice in our last property that we've just recently finished, we've actually shifted to the paneling. Now we've been looking at for many years, but what you'll notice is that some of the paneling is actually, the quality is not that good. So what we've actually gone for, we found a paneling that we're actually happy with, and it's the actual composite, I can't get my words out today, the composite material that we're using, that's been used for these, is actually really durable. I'm really happy with that. But it's going to help for maintenance down the line. So what you'll find in HMOs, especially if the cleaners, say, aren't cleaning the showers properly for whatever reason, the grout can get very dirty, and then that's a maintenance cost down the line. So we're trying to minimize those costs down the line as well. But the quality is really good. We've still got this toilet to install in here. As I said, we've got about 2 days left of the second fix plumbing on here, but the actual shower is installed with that as well. Again, second fix plumbing, and we also got the actual window panels that are going to get replaced in here to the frosted glass. Let's jump into the front of the actual property so we can actually see what's happening there. Okay, so we're in the last bedroom at the moment. This is the 3rd one at the front of the property. You'll notice that behind me we've got the actual ensuite. So just previously before, you'll notice that we had a little bit of a dip out there. That's the shower tray in there. So still got decoration to go on here. We've got the radiators installed in this bedroom as well. So the second fix plumbing is all done in this part. So the toilet's all connected up. We've got the radiator in here. So the plumber's just actually working through that at the moment. Again, that all sorted, which is great. So let's jump downstairs and we can actually have a look at the kitchen, because that's been installed, and you can see a bit of the layout of how it's actually working out in the moment, because the kitchen's looking great. We've still got obviously door panels to actually fit on, etc. Let's look at that now. Okay, so we've got the kitchen being installed at the moment. So you'll notice we've got 2 cupboards over there, a 3rd one there, and then we've also got cupboards down the bottom in here as well. So this is mainly going to be used for cooking space. We've got the hob and the oven going here, and the extractor fan as well, so that's still got to get installed. Behind we've got the actual utility room, which is great. So the utility room is going to be behind, and we're going to have the washing machine, I'll show you washer dryer, and we're also going to have the fridge freezer in there as well. So this is going to be purely cooking space in here, which is great. So it's worked nice and well there. Now bear in mind, we've got a communal area in here as well, so it means that we don't have to put like a breakfast bar in here, because there'll be enough space to put a dining room table in there, as well as a sofa with a TV as well there. So it's going to look really, really good. The other thing that we're doing as well, to the rear of the property, we just re-rendered just the lower ground, just where the kitchen extension is coming out. The main reason it needed that is because it was blemished, so we had to replace that. That would just cause damp issues in the future. So that started, that'll be finished way before keys handed over in a week's time, which is great. Thanks very much for watching this week's Refurb Wednesdays. My name is Nic Clark from Jenic Property. If you guys actually want to profit from UK property and you simply just don't have the time to build your property portfolio, start replacing your income, so you can start redefining your retirement one property at a time, then certainly book in a free call with one of our team where we can actually help you profit from UK property, and we can look at your strategies and get clear on exactly that, so we can get you moving forward and get your 2021 off to a flying start. Also, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit that like button if you like this actual video. Also, what I'd like to do is I'd like to gather your feedback on like what sort of content do you actually want to hear more about. Put your comments down below. Would love to actually hear from you guys. Also, remember you can follow myself on Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram, and that's Property with Nic Clark. Just search Property with Nic Clark. I'll be able to do that. Otherwise, thanks very much for watching. My name's Nic Clark from Jenic Property, helping you profit from UK property.